Hi all and welcome to the cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to make yet another one from Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book. I probably should make a playlist with videos just from his book. If I do, it'll be here. If I don't, I'll be pointing at nothing. So today's recipe is going to consist of gin. I'm using Prohibition gin, which is a South Australian local gin, Maraschino Liqueur, lemon juice and orange bitters. So recently, I think in my last video, the one before, I mentioned that a lot of the cocktail recipes I've been doing recently have been divisible by 25 mils. So like the main ingredient has been 50 mils instead of commonly 45 or 60. Reason being, standard measure in the UK is 25 mils. So Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book, he's an English bartender. A lot of his recipes are divisible by 25 mils. Fun fact. Anyways, I'll get on to actually making the drink. 50 mils of gin. I just thought it would be worth mentioning because I noticed a lot of drinks lately that I've been making have been using 50 ml measures. The next ingredient, 20 mils of Maraschino Liqueur. Now a lot of recipes that I've made with Maraschino Liqueur only feature, say, a quarter, 15 mils or even less of that liqueur. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes with a full 20 mils. Followed by 15 mils of lemon juice. Then 2 dashes of orange bitters. Then shake with ice. Strain into your chilled cocktail glass. Then garnish with a maraschino cherry. You can either drop it straight in or use a pick just to make it easier to eat the cherry later. Probably want to strain off some of that cherry juice because it is quite sweet and it's going to affect the overall balance of the drink. There you have a casino. Cheers. As soon as you bring that drink to your nose, you can smell that maraschino. It's really quite strong. Really is a delicious drink. It does showcase the maraschino. It could be a little bit overpowering, but I do quite like it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.